Hi there, I'm Adam Corkett with Nureva, and we're at our booth here at InfoComm at booth 4269, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what's new with Nureva app. So you can see here we have a blown up version of our Nureva app on the trade show floor. I'm going to show a little bit of some of the new features and functions that we've added in the last 6 months. So one of the first things I want to talk about is our acoustic check feature, which we just launched and is available with our iOS version of the app. And this function is really there to help you determine where you want to place your Nureva products within a space to get the best microphone pickup experience. So just using your mobile phone, you're able to check two key variables to create an acoustic score that'll help you figure out where's the best location. So you could do a reverberation check, so just using your phone and being able to quickly check what's the reverberation within the space. We recommend you can use a balloon to be able to energize the space to get enough energy to measure the reverberation. We're not doing that here because this is obviously a large space, but we'll show you what it looked like from a demo perspective. So you can imagine just simply using your phone, it measures the reverberation in the space, and then it gives you that measurement just using the phone. And then the next key piece here is getting the background noise. So if we were actually using this for real, this background noise level would be fairly high, but you can imagine just checking wherever you were in the room, where you wanted to see, where you want to place that bar, and we do a test for the background noise. And then taking those measures, just wait till it does its measurement of the background noise here. Taking those measures, it gives you an overall score to say, hey, this is a good place, not an ideal place to place the bar, either or. It's really there just as a pre-install tool to help you ensure you have a great experience. We're not going to continue. The other piece of what we've done with Nureva app is really around helping you configure, set up, and troubleshoot your space. So you can connect to your device via a LAN connection. Once you're connected, you land on the home page. And this is one of the other big changes that we've done with Nureva app is we put out a new layout, mobile responsive layout for Nureva app. You'll see some new differences. One is we've added what we call kind of the action bar. So if you need to do something quick, like an update, a calibration, if you want to restart the device, it's all quickly available right on the home page. We've added kind of this device health status so you can easily see the status from a network connection perspective or console perspective. And we also made that background noise that the device itself is registering quickly available on the home page. We've also introduced our coverage map. This is allowing you to both see where you've placed the components within the room, but also as part of our setup for camera integration. So if you wanted to create zones and integrate camera switching, you can easily create a zone, place that zone wherever you want, name it, set it up so that you can do camera switching to trigger the zones based off of the sound location data that we take off the Nureva HDL 410. As I mentioned, this is also about configuring and setting up the device. So obviously we have access to all the settings and controls that are available for the HDL system. One of the key differences that we've added recently is our dynamic boost. So this enables the device to dynamically change the output for the space itself. So for improved output in the space. The other big change here is we've added just a different view of the devices and components within the space. So we made it easier to add components from a setup perspective, and this is how you can access some of our other key features like adaptive voice amplification. So you would add your external microphone, and from here you could be able to configure all your additional settings to be able to add handheld mics or wireless microphones to your HDL system to enable that voice amplification experience. Now the last thing I want to show off is just sometimes something doesn't go right and you'll need the tools to be able to troubleshoot and set up your device. We've added this whole new section of tools for troubleshooting, whether it's checking the network to see if you have a good connection to services that you need access to, or just simple things like being able to reset or restart the device. Made all those tools easily available right within the app. All this is available on Nureva.com. You can also download the Nureva app either on the Apple App Store or on the Google Play Store.